swear this is chronic boredom at its best. Both my kid and my brother's kid love boxes. This is sad. My kid just crawled into a box of bottles. This right here is considered chronic boredom at its best. Zai. Zai. Hi.
Hi.
What's good? I don't want any Coke. That can only be your mother with Arizona. I'm shocked. Your brother? You getting up, staying in?
You gotta get changed.
Okay, so then when you change your mind.